just bought myself a Focus ST. Okay, so obviously there's an issue with the car. You can see how it's smoking. A very cool car this. Okay, so I did suspect that the timing was out. So I'm just going to clear it for now and see what comes back. Okay, so I'm just going to take the engine out the way. So I'm going to take it to Ryan later and see what he finds. Oh, look at that. Engine light did actually go away. So let's see how long it takes to come back. Alright, so this is the car. Headlights had some laminates on it, so those desperately need a polish. Bonnet, there's a lot of cracking, so the car was resprayed at some point. Assuming shit wasn't done properly on the bonnet, so the bonnet needs to be resprayed. Front bumper is okay, it's got aftermarket spotlights in it. Then, actually, at least I've got the ST wheels all around. The mirrors do need to be redone as well. You can see, so this one actually looks okay, that one still looks shit. These things that I love so much. I hate these things. So, okay, that's coming off. Then here on the door, you can see some, there's some shoddy work that was done. So I think the whole car will probably need a cut and polish done. And there's also laminates on the tail lights. So yeah, I'm just gonna peel that all off. This is quite satisfying. See, it is leaving quite a bit of glue behind. The only reason I'm taking it off is because here it's bubbling and failing, so rather take it off and let it look original. At least the sun is helping. Okay, a lot of glue left behind. Yeah, I'll try and take that off just now. ST badge is still on there. It does have a full power flow exhaust system on, so it is quite loud. Does need a good polish as well, good clean. There's a little bit of paint damage here, which is that which didn't prep properly. But yeah, like I said, the whole car needs a cut and polish. Oh, this side doesn't even have one of those things on. People doing half jobs. Here you can see how bad that looks. Needs wipers. It's got two different wipers on it that don't actually work. But my favorite part is these seats. These are the best seats to have in a Ford. Very comfortable Recaros. But the interior is near immaculate besides this, so I might just get Charlie to fix that. And then this apparently is also a common failing point, so I'll just get Charlie to sort that out. But otherwise the interior is near perfect. Other issue is whatever is normally on there fails. So now there doesn't, the sun visors don't clip in. Got 151,000 k's on the clock. There's been some work done on the engine, so cam belt and that type of stuff was done, but needs to go to Ryan because it is smoking. I do think the timing, wonderful. Okay, so I need to get some touch up for there as well. That's probably why they put that on. Anyway, okay, so yeah, cool project, one of my bucket list cars. Always wanted one of these. So yeah, I think this is going to be a cool December project. So I'm taking the car into Ryan on Thursday so that he can start diagnosing what is wrong with the engine. Actually, let me quickly show you guys. Another cool thing that I like about the Fords is how you open the bonnet. There we go. So you can see there, headers, a lot of cable ties holding everything in place. So bottle I need to replace. This pipe here needs to be replaced because it is damaged. But further, it's not in bad condition. Once Ryan has everything open, I'm going to try and get the cam belt cover and the valve cover resprayed. So I don't actually know if they should be white, blue or not. This is failing, so I don't know if I'll see if I want to keep this on or not. But yeah, furthermore, car's decent. Cool, let's get going. How about we do a little cold start? Let's open the window. It's boiling inside here. You can hear the timing is out, but it does sound good. We'll quickly go and get the power steering checked out at National Power Steering, because it's okay now, it's not making a noise, but generally it makes a noise. So actually I'm going to check the power steering fluid quickly first. Okay, so there you can hear the noise on the engine, but also no power steering. So power steering pump's on the way out, car is going in this afternoon to get the pump replaced. They'll be busy with it the whole day tomorrow, and then on Thursday it's going to Ryan to get all the issues checked out. Okay, so time to take the ST to Ryan. As you can see, engine lights back on, but I don't think I've actually recorded while driving this. Such an awesome car, this. I really do love it. It's really one of my bucket list cars. I've always wanted one of these. Looks the part, looks mean. Keep quiet. Looks mean, drives like a dream. No, well, doesn't drive like a dream right now. That's why it's going to Ryan. But let's see what he can. Yeah, one of the rear. I think the rear shocks might need some attention, because when you go over a bump it catches. But yeah, loud. Car is loud. Hopefully it'll sound better once, I think the timing is out. So I think once the timing is set and once Ryan does whatever he needs to, I think it's going to sound much better, because at the moment there is a flat spot and then all of a sudden it starts accelerating. So let's see what he says. Okay, so I don't know if I actually recorded nothing exciting. I took the car to Ryan, tried to have a look along, see if there's anything that we can do. Unfortunately, he does say that we need to pull the head due to the noise that you can hear in the head, and then obviously with the smoking as well. So I'm starting to think, obviously there is timing issues, but I think the valve stem seals have gone, just because of the way that the smoke does kind of get produced. Like now I'll be under load, well, not under load, like driving under compression, and as soon as I start accelerating, you see the smoke. So that's why I think it's valve stem seals. Unfortunately, it is now the 17th, well, it's 18th of December. All the engineers have closed. Ryan is closing tomorrow, so yeah, this will only now be in the new year. So I'm going to carry on with the car in the meantime. I need to take it to Charlie, not to Charlie, yeah, I do need to take it to Charlie to get the seat and the door panel fixed, but right now I'm taking the car to Simba so that he can diagnose why there's nothing working on the fan. I'm hoping it's not the fan blower motor that I need to replace, because that's about 2,500 Rand new. Hopefully he can fix something out and we can have some nice cool air coming through the vents. So back from Simba, he did figure out that there isn't even a fan resistor motor in there. So I went to Ford, bought a new fan resistor. When we plug that in, at least then the fan works. So there was also something else with the wiring that he had to sort out, because the fan wasn't working at all, and without the fan resistor motor it should work on 4, or sorry, the fan resistor, it should work on number 4, which it now does. So he sorted that out. I've left that out until we fit the aircon compressor.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Okay, so it looks like this is the end of the road for the Focus ST. Just collected it from Ryan. There is quite a bit more damage to the motor than what I would have wanted, but also more, it's going to cost more to fix than what I can put into the car. Unfortunately, I need to cut my losses at this point. Spending a lot more money on this car will basically turn into me losing money. There is a little bit of play on the pistons. So what Ryan's done is he's taken the head off. He then had a look and seen what the damages were, and we basically just did new head gaskets, new seals, new plugs, new oil obviously, and so on, and we just put it back together. Yeah, like I said, unfortunately I can't spend more money on the car, because then I'm just going to be losing. So unfortunately I'm going to have to sell the car as it is. I mean, I will still replace these that I bought. I bought second-hand visors, sun visors for the car. I did also buy a compressor, aircon compressor, because the aircon compressor is completely seized. I'll just be giving that to the new owner, well, prospective buyer. I'll tell them that, and whoever buys the car can have that. But yeah, I'm spending a cent more on this car than what I've already spent, unfortunately. So that is it for this one. I will catch you guys in the next one. Please do like and subscribe.